Hi, welcome to a demo of Ylytic platform. Ylytic is a platform that helps businesses with influencer intelligence, influencer data, and a lot more. So let's jump into it. So with Ylytic, you can do many things. We start with influencer discovery. So let me show you that as I sign in. Yeah, so as you can see, there are many tabs, and each tab has a different function. So let me start with this. So the first is influencer discovery. In this, we have a pool of about 2 million creators. These are active curated creators, and as we go, we add about a million or so creators every month. In On the right side, you can see a panel where you can use different criteria for searching and filtering creators. There's location, there's tier, there's engagement rate, platform. Right now we support YouTube and Instagram, but we are adding LinkedIn and TikTok and Twitter very soon, or X as it is called now. Then you have a list of 25 plus categories, and those who have published some of their contact information, that filter is also available. We also have something called a search and bio filter where we have made bios of creators searchable. So if you want to search for some niche keywords or things like that, if you have certain specific campaign requirements, then you can search these things. So if I searched crypto, then these are the creators that came, which have done some kind of work with crypto. You can see that these are about 4,200 odd creators. So this is discovery. What you can also do is you can do a creator outreach. Once you've selected a list of creators, you can uh, draft an email, maybe add a form if you want to collect some information or get applications, and then you can basically do a one click outreach to all the creators that you may have selected. So this is creator discovery and outreach. Now let me take you to creator insight. So this is the section where you can add a creator. You it not just from discovery, but you can add a creator even from your own list. You can add any creator handle, or you can add list or creators in bulk using a CSV file. And with this, you can basically look at the deep dive insights of these creators. So if I show you, so this is a creator, and you can see that this is a creator that's already added to my dashboard, and I can see their insights in detail. So if you see, so this is a creator. I think the image will take maybe a bit to load. Yes, it's here. So you can see for this creator there are different categories, and we do category mapping also intelligently. So if a creator has done multiple posts, we also look at their posts to tag categories. So you can see the creators categories are here, then their stats are there, engagement rate. We do something called effective follower rate, which is a very important metric these days because this tells you the percentage of followers that are regularly viewing their content. So this is about 3.4% for this creator because their follower count is very 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 big. Then we do something called a profile quality where we benchmark this creator with other creators of similar uh, a tier and categories. So you can see that the score is about 42, which is somewhere around average, above average. There are some things which are below average. Posting consistency is good, so engagement rate and effective followers could be better. And you can look at how their engagement rate has been over the past few weeks, and how their followers are trending over time. And you can also look at their audience. So this is a very important part because brands or marketers obviously want to know a lot about the audience of a creator, which helps them decide which creator to use for which campaign. So you can see that the gender split of the audience is about even. You can see the age group split of audiences. You can see the interest of audiences. You can see which cities does the audience come from. You can also see what percentage of audience is authentic. So in this creator's case, about 23 or 24% of audience may not be very authentic. So basically, around 72% of the audience are authentic, which in today's scheme of things is I would say fairly expected. Then you can also see some comment sentiment analysis. So we do some language processing of their comments, and you can see which comments, what percentage of comments are positive, what percentage are neutral, and so on, what percentage are negative. So basically, and you can also see comment buzzwords. Then if you go to engagement, you can see their engagement stats, overall engagement, uh, effective follower rate, reach. You can see engagement for different types of posts like reels, stories, etc. And you can also see the performance of their paid posts. So we identify the promotional or paid posts of a creator and show the engagement there. Then you can look at their posting activity, their recent posts, and how they're doing, what is the engagement, etc. And then you can also see the hashtags that they use, the brands that they've worked with, brands they've mentioned, and similar creators, which is also an important thing because a marketer wants to know creators which are similar to a particular creator that, let's say, they've worked with in the past or their competitors have been working with. And also the users that the creator mentioned. So this is basically Creator Insights, a very useful tool, and it helps brands decide which creators are the right creators to work with. Then let me go to another very important piece, which is the campaign tracking. So we provide brands and marketers and agencies a tool to track their campaigns automatically. All you have to do is create a campaign, and you can add posts in bulk. You can add posts, URLs, even 100 URLs in one go, or even 1,000 URLs in one go. And then you can track this campaign. You don't need to do anything, the campaign will be automatically tracked. So for example, this was a campaign which had five posts, and then you can see the stats that the aggregate followers is were 2.2 million, reach is this much, views are this much. If you input cost, then you can also get cost per view, cost per reach. Then you get how each type of post is performing, how is a YouTube video doing versus a YouTube shorts or Insta reels. Then you can see the engagement rate, trend over time, reach grow over time. What we also do, and this is for branding, so if you're an agency, you can brand it. If you're a brand, you can have your own branding here, so that customizability is there. Then you can also see the audience of a campaign. So what we do is we also sample the people who have engaged with the campaign, like likers and commenters, and you can basically see the demographics of the audience that has engaged or interacted with the campaign. So in this case, you can see gender split, you can see age split, you can see the top city and country from which the audience was there, and you can also see the comment sentiment of this campaign. It is important to know that this campaign is automatically updated every 24 hours, so you don't have to do anything. You can just share this link with your customers, and or with the brand, or if you are the brand, you can just come here and track this link, or you can just look at this link, hit this link, and check it out whenever you want to see. By default, the campaign is tracked for 30 days, but if you want to track it over a longer time, you can adjust it in the date of a campaign. And you'll also see the list of all the posts, and along with their metrics here. So if you want to compare posts, you want to rank these posts by different things, you can do, and you will see which post is doing better on engagement, which is doing better on views, and so on and so forth. So this is campaign tracking. Let me also say that all of these features which I am showing are also available in APIs. So we also provide APIs for all of these features, but if you want to use platform, you can also use our platform. Uh, then one other feature is link tracking. So you must have heard of link tracking tools like Bitly and on. So it's something similar. If you want to, because with influencer marketing, a lot of times you don't just want to measure the reach or views, but you also want to see drive outcomes like how many clicks has a particular influencer driven, and so on. So you can create tracking links for different for any destination URL, and once a tracking link is created, you'll see the number of clicks and also the uh, detailed insights of a particular click. For example, in this particular link, total clicks are 46, but there are 42 unique clicks, 4 are repeat clicks, and you will see that these clicks are coming from these locations, these countries, and these devices, whether it's mobile or browser, you will see it there, and then you can see how many clicks have come on which date. So these click insights are also available in the dashboard. If you want to see our API documentation, that is also available here in the dashboard. And obviously, our pricing is available. We do a credit based pricing. You can take subscriptions starting, around 4,200 rupees, or in terms of dollars, it will be about, 55 $60 a month. And you can even buy top ups, which will be basically one time top ups. There's no monthly commitment. You can just buy whenever you need to use the platform, starting 2,500 rupees or about $40, if you are outside India. So this is it. It's pretty simple. There are a few other functions which are more advanced functions for our users, which are uh, doing certain activities, which probably I'll cover in a more detailed demo, in a different demo. But this is the overview of the tool. There's one more thing that I want to mention, and that is that we also white label our tool. In case of white labeling, you will basically, instead of Ylytic domain, you will have your own domain that the dashboard can be mapped to, and here instead of Ylytic, you will have your own branding. So basically, it will look like your platform, and you can then share it with whoever you want, whether it's your team, it's your customers, it's your partners. So that facility is also available in this platform. uh, yeah, so this is basically it. And if you have any questions, do write to us. I'll add the email ID at the end of the video. And look forward, and thank you so much for listening.